higher frequency you, higher frequency me, higher frequency university.
Blessings, YouTube. So we're going to check in on our seedlings. As you can see, some of them have started to grow. I'm excited. However, when I look closely, I see some mold or something. Looks like some mold is growing in some of these. So I'm going to take a closer look and see what is really going on here. So let's have a look. Now, let's see. Yeah, I do see some mold. So what happened last week was one of my little cherubs, I guess she thought she was helping me, and she added extra water to my pots here, and I had meant to dump them out, but I completely forgot. Oh boy, now I'm not sure what to do. I think I'm going to switch out all these soils. I think I'm going to switch this one. It looks pretty good. Oh Lord, I'm not sure what to do. Okay guys, so you don't want keep moisture in here. I probably should have cut out the bottoms, but I didn't. So, maybe I just take everything out. And then I'm going to look for, I don't know what to do. All right, I guess I'm going to try and see if I could repot these, because I've never had this situation. This is my first time using these biodegradable pots. So I'm really, when I say I'm really not sure, I am really not sure. I think I just broke the stalk. So transplanting is not an option. Let me see if I can rip it. Okay, you can rip them open, but I do see a little bit of mold in there as well. So I'm still going to try and repot them just because these are my new babies and we can't lose them before we get them. So I'm going to try and repot them. They're kind of stuck in the bottom. This is crazy. So make sure you monitor the water. Make sure you monitor your moisture. Make sure you have proper drainage going on. Otherwise, you will have this situation. This is really not good. I'm not even sure that these are going to survive. It will be like a miracle, miracle, miracle if they do. It will really be a miracle, miracle if they do. So I'm going to try repotting them. And I'm going to hope and pray for the best here. But just not sure. We'll know in a couple of days if they're going to thrive. That's the good thing about it, is that they should show improvement almost immediately. I'm not really sure what to do with the rest of these, so not sure. I'm going to wash this out, probably wash this out and poke some holes in this, and I'm going to turn these into planters. So give me a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, there's a considerable amount of mold in here. I'm just simply washing it out with vinegar. something natural, as we're going to be using them, you know, for our vegetables and things. Now, I am really, I just don't know. This is a very first for me. I'm going to try and salvage what I can, but I will be starting new seeds just because I'm just not sure about the viability of these. Poke some holes in there. Guys, so I washed these the trays out, the plastic trays that were supposed to hold them. And basically what I did was I just went through with a little scalpel and put some drain holes in so that we don't have a repeat of what just happened. So after that, I'm just gonna peel these biodegradable things off and put them back in. But as I said, I am going to start some new seeds just as a precaution because I've never dealt with this kind of situation before. But if you only have like a certain amount of seeds and you don't want to lose them, then this is what I would suggest you do. So I'm just going to open these and kind of unravel them and dump the contents into our little new holder. Okay, and that's really all that I'm gonna do because I said don't know. Okay, so I repotted all of them, and I'm not so hopeful. Like this one here, I don't know. These here are kind of fragile. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I am gonna do some new seeds next weekend since these had the mold issue. These in here should be all right. Everything else should be okay, but I'm just not so hopeful about these. So we'll see what next week brings. Until then, I am Empress T. I am abundantly, graciously, and infinitely yours. Thank you for watching. Blessings.